BitLocker is Microsoft's built-in drive encryption feature designed to protect your data from unauthorized access. But what happens when you forget the unlock key? Or even worse, you accidentally format an encrypted drive and suddenly everything is gone? If that sounds like you, take a breath. You're not locked out for good. In this video, I'll show you how to recover data from a BitLocker encrypted drive even if you don't have the recovery key. Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDig. For today's demo, I'll be using Tenorshare 4DDig Data Recovery. You can grab the free download from the link in the description below. Once it's installed, just launch the program. Start by selecting the BitLocker encrypted drive you want to recover, then click Scan. If you still remember your password or recovery key, just enter it when prompted. The drive will unlock, and the scan will begin right away. But what if you forget your key? No worries. Just choose one-click auto unlock. 4DDig will automatically search for your BitLocker recovery key from your Microsoft account, your system drive, usually C, or any connected external device. It saves you the hassle of tracking it down manually. The decryption may take a few minutes, depending on the drive size. Just let it do its thing. Once unlocked, the scan starts automatically. If you have uploaded your BitLocker key to your Microsoft account, you can retrieve the key through your Microsoft account to unlock and recover your data. If auto unlock doesn't work, there's still another option. 4DDig also allows you to bypass the BitLocker lock and scan the drive directly for recoverable data. Simply click the black text below, and the deep scan will begin immediately. You can browse files by category on the left panel, such as documents, photos, videos, and more. Preview the files you want, select them, and click Recover. And that's it. Your lost files can be restored from a BitLocker encrypted partition in just a few steps. If this video helped you recover your data, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Windows recovery guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.